Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. I'm going to share my latest obsession with you. Sticker journaling, sticker doodling, whatever you want to call it. Let's call it sticker journaling. Okay, I am using these grabby glitter gel ink pens. They are the star of the show. They're so gorgeous and shimmery. And then I have this blank journal from the Happy Planner, also gorgeous, and a sheet of Crafty Chica stickers. And I have some other larger stickers of mine. And rather than just placing them down, I'm going to have fun. I'm going to cut the stickers in half just to create a symmetrical look. So what you're going to do for this type of sticker journaling is use a variety of stickers and place them randomly all over a spread. You could use a half page or a full page, whatever you'd like. And you want to leave some space between the stickers because that's where we're going to do our doodling with the glitter gel pens. So here I have all of my stickers in different sizes. Check out these glitter gel pens. Oh my God, I am obsessed. I have 3 packages of these, and I just love the way they're so shimmery. And if you want, you can even rub over your whole surface to give everything else a little shimmer. Just a little side note. Okay, so then you're going to go in and create some different motifs between the stickers. The idea here is to have contrasting themes and contrasting colors. And as you're doodling, go in and journal. I did all these little circles and I thought, what does this remind me of? And I'm like, this reminds me of productivity. Or maybe you don't want to think so hard and just enjoy the relaxing process of doodling. So this reminds me of a type of craft like Zentangles or a coloring book. And it's just stickers and then using glitter gel pens or markers, anything that you want to create different motifs in between the stickers. And then you can look back at it and see what kind of story it tells to you. And again, I love writing things down, but I didn't want to really put any lettering on here. I did come across some really nice affirmation stickers, so I added some of those. And rather than journal my feelings or goals or aspirations, I just kind of assigned a different emotion or feeling that I was thinking about as I was drawing all of those motifs. At the end, this is a really fun, artful collage. It's not meant to be hung or framed. It's just a little safe space to daydream, to jot down ideas as you were thinking. And let me show you some of my other sticker journal spreads. I use all different types of markers, and you could actually take a picture of these and use them in other types of collages. But that is intuitive sticker journaling. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit Crafty Chica for even more crafty ideas.